Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Shark Air Purifier not turning on, power filter, safety switch and reset. To fix a Shark Air Purifier that won't turn on, first check the basic power connections, securely close the filter door and ensure the filter is properly seated. If the unit receives power but the power button is dark, the LED may be burned out. Try using the remote. A dead shark air purifier can often be revived quickly by following this systematic troubleshooting step. Fix 1. Hard reset the device. Air purifiers sometimes get stuck in a protection lockout mode. Simply unplug the purifier from the wall outlet completely and wait for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the internal capacitors to drain. Then plug the unit directly back into the wall, avoid extension cords and try turning it on. Fix 2. Check the filter and door latch. If the bottom access panel or filter door is even slightly ajar, the safety switch will prevent the unit from turning on. Unplug the unit, flip it over and remove the bottom cover. Then take the HEPA filter out and check for any plastic packaging that hasn't been removed. And ensure the filter is correctly seated inside. Then put the access cover back on and twist it firmly until it clicks completely into the lock position. Fix 3. Test for a burned out power LED. Sometimes the power button fails to illuminate, creating the illusion of no power when the unit is actually functional. So plug the machine in and try turning it on using the remote control. And if the fan turns on and the other display lights illuminate, the unit is working perfectly but the power button LED has burned out. You can continue controlling it with the remote or app. Fix 4. Check for filter replacement lockout. Certain Shark models feature a filter life lockout and will refuse to operate if the filter is completely exhausted and the timer has not been reset. If the filter life indicator light is flashing red, the machine may lock up. Replace the old filter with a new, genuine Shark filter designed for your model. And once the new filter is inside and the machine is plugged in, press and hold the filter life or reset button for 3 to 5 seconds until it beeps and the light resets the blue. Fix 5. Check the power outlet. Before assuming the unit is broken, verify the power source. Unplug the unit and plug a different electronic device, like a phone charger or lamp, into that exact outlet to ensure it has power. If the other device does not work, check your home circuit breaker or fuse box. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.